Cookies?
Peanut butter falcon.
Oh, oi, oi.
We have a horse together.
No, we don't. We don't own it. This is Ludo.
No, we gave birth to
This is Ludo. And yes, we got a...
So if you didn't get that, I'm Dim, and this is Mick, and this is our van. We're going to be renovating our van.
How do you feel about that van? Would you like to say hello to our friends? This is Ludo.
This is Ludo, also known as Audeville Ludovic.
I'm Mick. Introduce yourself.
And I'm Dim. Dimitrios. Dim Sim. Chicken Dimmy.
And we bought a van. A real van, not a horse van. And that was about 3 months ago.
3 months earlier.
We just got a big bank check out.
Whoa.
It's the last year and a half of us working pretty hard with this dream. So
Here
it
goes.
means a lot to us.
Here goes.
I know that might not be a lot of, well, it is a lot of money to anyone, but you know, it's like nearly all of our money. But money is nothing.
Hey, no,
love and joy
look,
is everything.
We've done
that.
We've done well to earn what we have, and hard work has paid off. Hopefully, potentially, today, maybe tomorrow, and we'll see it at the front of the house.
I wish we could take it today.
We might be able to, as long as that. Anyway.
I'm stressed. I am pretty sure Dimmy is on his way home with the van that we just bought for a lot of money. But it's been a whole year that we've been waiting for it, and then we found it. So I'm pretty sure he's on his way with it.
Beautiful sunset there. The dream finally comes true. We did. It's a Mercedez Sprinter, 516 CDI. Yeah, it's a beast. It's large. We bought it secondhand. It was 2015 model. It's obviously 2021 right now. It had 150,000 Ks on the mileage, on the reasonable for the price that we bought it for as well. So yeah, we're going to be converting that.
And we've had it for about 3 months now, and the first 3 months was pretty uneventful. We really didn't do any converting at all. It kind of just sat in Brisbane where we were living at the time. And we took it on a couple adventures. We introduced it to friends. We ripped out all the insides. It already had some carpet and walls and stuff like that. We ripped that out.
That's all I've done. Got a whole other...
He's just ripped out this wall. You are ridiculous. No, no.
Last panel.
So that's all the metal. Step 1, complete.
Oh, step 0.2. I need to take out this little piece of 12mm wood that they've cut up there for as a false flooring. I need to clean off all this lino glue that they had there. Oh, I think that's it. So 0.338%.
Okay. I need to take that to the tip too. We pulled the partition that it separates the front of the vehicle with the back of the vehicle.
Yep.
This one?
Yep. Alright, when you're ready.
Okay.
Yeah, I know, sorry. Right, almost there.
We are clearly now not in Brisbane City.
Could you imagine parking that thing on the street in Brisbane?
Can you imagine parking this thing on the street in Brisbane?
Well, that was a sad part.
It had a lot of bird shit on it because we've been parking it under this tree, which we're just trying to make do with the fact that we live in a city and we've got to park it on the road, which is fine. We just got to wash it more often, which is also fine.
Tank water.
We love washing things.
Now we're back here and it's great.
So now we're back at the farm.
Dimmy's second name is Farmer Dimmy.
This is Ludo.
And he's our child.
And this is our Xena. Come on. And our last boy, Indiana Jones. We got a bit of haze.
We also have another child, and that's. Lie down, you'll come here. Lie down. This is Benny. He gets to sit right there forever. Riding in the front seat. Maybe he'll be coming on the journey. We'll see. I don't know yet. I love him too. We've just got to convince the parents. We were studying full time at uni. We're both studying science.
Are the ones who don't submit.
Today we're learning about the oxygen minimum zones in the ocean. And
So before we got interrupted by this guy here, Mick was explaining that we're at university. We're studying. And actually that's going to take us to
somewhere next year with the van. Anyway, it's going to be a wild ride. We're going to make that many bloody mistakes because we are... What did you say again? What was the word that you gave us?
Shamblick. It's a word I've made up just for our personality type because we are a shambles. Righto, well, we bought a van. That's pretty simple. Now we're going to be converting it. We are going to flip the crap out of this van.
Flip the crap out of this van. Protection. Up high. Ready to cut a hole.
And this is Ludo.